With Odisha witnessing a second wave of COVID-19, the Special Relief Commissioner on Thursday released new guidelines focusing on mandatory RT-PCR testing of people coming from other states, along with a slew of other measures to curb the spread of the virus in the state. The notification stated that people coming to Odisha by any public transport like train, bus, airplanes or waterways, etc., or by any private vehicles have to produce RT-PCR negative report obtained within 72 hours of entry or final vaccination certificate after 2 doses of vaccination. People coming without such report will have to undergo 7 days mandatory home or institutional quarantine. The state government has suspended all public transport from Odisha to Chhattisgarh and vice versa from April 10th till April 30th. SRC's notification requested the Transport Department to set up border checkpoints at strategic locations. People coming through the checkpoints shall have to produce final vaccination certificate or RT-PCR negative report obtained within 72 hours prior to their entry to Odisha, or else they will be put in home or institutional quarantine for 7 days. Moreover, the incoming persons shall have to give an undertaking to this effect and submit a filled-in form containing all relevant personal details. The government has further directed all industries or educational institutions or commercial establishments to ensure implementation of all COVID-appropriate behavior or protocols and to set up their own isolation facilities, that is COVID care centers or COVID care homes for COVID positive persons found in the establishments with their own expenses. In view of the situation deteriorating across the state, the collectors of 16 districts, namely Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Bargarh, Balangir, Nuapada, Kalahandi, Nabarangpur, Koraput, Malkangiri, Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj and Balasore have been asked to set up temporary medical centers to provide quarantine facilities to people coming from other states. Bureau Report, OTV News.